Hey guys, today for BYSP, I'm going to be showing you how to do some things on the jailbroken iTouch, one of them being how to get free apps. You need Installous, the app in my bottom right corner. First, you need obviously jailbroken iPod. You need Cydia and or IC. Either one doesn't matter. I think IC is personally better because more people are more familiar with Cydia. I'll use Cydia. So this is the thing where I use IC personally, because this is why I don't like Cydia. Loading data, IC is nice, quick, and responsive. There's none of this waiting bullcrap. But anyway, you go to search, now that it's loaded, you go to packages, names, and descriptions, and you want to type in Installous, spelled, if the system will stop lagging, INSTALLOUS. Here it is right here. So click on it. I can see I already have it downloaded due to the check mark. For those of you who don't have this, normally I have modified. You should have install. I know I have reinstall, remove, cancel. You want to click install. You should have an option for that. Or is it confirm? I'm pretty sure. But it's basically what you gotta do. You confirm it, install it, and all that good stuff. That's another reason why I don't like it. See, I didn't even do anything, and it's giving me this, but let it reload its stupid data. Oh yeah, and when it's doing that, never ever hit the home button or exit out of Cydia when that reloading data is popping up, because that can screw up your iPod. So I guess we'll just see if it stops, hopefully. Come on, iTouch, you can do it. There we go. Okay, now for the next part. Once you have it installed, like I did in the bottom right corner, click on it. You should have this weird little icon or a different icon depending on what theme you have for Winterboard. If you have a theme, if you did that with Winterboard yet. This is Appulous. Appulous is going through Installous, is what you get your apps from. You have browse alphabetically by newest apps and by newest updates. And one thing I like, make sure you do this. Go to settings, make sure your install method is on clean, iTunes sync on. That means that if you sync this with iTunes, these apps will appear in your iTunes library as if you purchased them from the iTunes store. Which is pretty cool in my opinion. I like that. So, anyway, go back to browse. Another search. For example, we'll type in, cause I like flight simulators, the X-Plane series, but they're like $10 in the App Store. So instead, I'm going to do this. X-Plane Extreme. Like so. There we go. Right here, X-Plane Extreme. So, you click on it, or whatever app that you search for. Let it load up. And you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the app. And you want the latest version, which means that's the latest updated version, which means some bugs are fixed, or runs more smoother, or there's less lag. So say I want version 9.0, you click it, and you got iPod friendly links and other links. Make sure it's on an iPod friendly link, because that means they're accepted by Installous, meaning they're safe to download. I prefer for-shared or app scene. So just for example, we use app scene. So click on this. It brings you this, where a security question, what I gotta do is type in, what is it? 4HJE. And you click go when you're down there, or you click download. By mistake, I'm clicking download. And you'll get the option for this loads up. There you go. Download or install. Download just puts it in your download section. It doesn't install it, and it's a complete waste of time. So click install. It takes a lot longer, maybe depending on how much gigabytes it is, than downloading it from the app store. But hey, if you'd rather pay $10 and get it quick, or get it free and take a while, I think I'll take the free. But I'm not going to install it or download it because I already have it. So X out of that. That's how you get Installous and your free apps. Next up, just to be nice, I'm going to show you some of my cool apps I like. MXTube. It's like YouTube, but just as what it says, it's the first native YouTube video downloader. Just like YouTube, except you can download the videos. So, go to search and type in anything you want. If it's on YouTube, it's on this. Next, if you say you download something, it's going to be in the download, so you can see how far it's done downloading. When you're done, it'll be in the videos. As you can see, I've downloaded a lot of videos because unless you have an iPhone and you have an iTouch, it's gonna suck when you're on YouTube and you can only watch videos if you're by a Wi-Fi hotspot. With this, you don't need a hotspot. You can just do whatever. And lastly, we have Make It Mine, or MIM for short. All these apps I'm showing you can get from Cydia or icy, depending on what you're using. Make It Mine is changing the carrier and the banner on your iTouch. Not carrier as in phone carrier, but see when I think it's iBook, it should say iPod, but I made a little joke and changed it to iBook. Your banner is where it shows my time. You can make it up to 10 characters, and unfortunately the time will go away. But if you want to get rid of everything that's up there, just leave it clear, hit done, like this, and click done, and then click on carrier banner, and it'll reset it back to normal. For example, say I want to change my carrier, I'll put in, let's see, just put in fart. Carrier. Then there we go, it says fart, but I don't want that, so change it back to iBook. Like so. And put it done, carrier, and now I'm happy again. That's pretty much that. Mobile Theater is pretty much like, there's a lot to go into. Like, there's tons of things on download, and unfortunately I don't have the time to do that. But that's pretty much it. And the theme I'm using is called Endless Dock. It's basically everything's in a dock. It's pretty cool. And no one get offended by this. This is just a weird thing I found while I was browsing. Please don't be offended by this. Well, I don't mean that to you. I just thought I'd show you. And that as well you can find in Cydia. I just typed in you, like I was typing MXTube, you know, like that, but because word YouTube comes to tube, I guess, and it showed the fuck you app. I don't know. It's a little pointless. I just use it when I'm pissed off and it makes me feel better. But anyway, that's pretty much it. So hope this helped you, and have a good day.